Right, just to finish this off, I need to put some wording on my buttons because they're a bit small at the moment. So when we did the A tag for the anchor for a link, we had the start of the A and then we had the end of the A, and what went in between them was the item that would be written on the button or on the link, and that's exactly what we've got here. So if I write blue box there, that will be written on the button ready for when I press it. So if I save it and refresh there, we've got a button now which says blue box, and I can do the same with the other one. This one is going to be a pink box, so I can type pink box and that will appear on the button when I reload it. Pink box, there you go, blue box, pink box, but nothing is happening, which basically it should. So what I think I've got wrong is what I was thinking earlier, is that maybe these need to be between quote marks. Now the outside quote marks are double. Okay, it's like Python, we can't mix them, so that is a whole thing. We've got to have them right. Inside I've got to use single quote marks. So I think if I surround that and that with single quote marks, that might solve my problem and make it work. Fingers crossed. If it doesn't, we'll stop the video and try and figure out what's wrong. As I've said, JavaScript does not give error messages, not easily at least. We really need to work hard to figure out what's going wrong. So let me refresh that. So blue box should get a blue box, pink box. Okay, now that's nice. I've got a broken, number one, it's worked, but I've got a broken image, and that means I probably used the wrong file name, and I've called it JPG and it wasn't, it was a PNG, I think. Let's go and check. Pink square is a PNG, yeah. So it couldn't work out the link, so it gave me the image of a broken link. Now that I've fixed that, fingers crossed that when I refresh my page, I've now got a blue box when I click it. That's a blue box. That's a pink box, and it's still not happy. Blue box, oh, that worked. Pink. So it's my pink one that is not being liked. And because I called it pink square instead of pink square. Perfect. Okay, so again, that's working nicely. It might be nice if I sort of had some space between those. I'm going to put a very strange tag in that I haven't used before. Instead of a break, I'm going to use a paragraph tag. And a paragraph tag will give me some space. Now, I've stayed away from the paragraph tag at the moment because it's one of those tags which is sort of under investigation. In the latest browsers, the paragraph tag just consists of an opening one and no closing tag, and ever since 1994 there's always been an opening and closing tag. I think you can use both, but there's some debate over whether we need closing tags anymore. That's up for scientists to work out. So there we go. I'm hoping that we get a bit of space. There we go. Blue box, pink box, blue box, pink box, blue box, pink box. I like this. Blue box, pink box, blue box, pink box. Anyway, whatever I do there, we've written our first little piece of JavaScript. It's called inline JavaScript because it's in the actual tags that contain it. So we'll try and take a look at some straightforward JavaScript in a script block in the head next.